kuzushi, tsukure kake. If I have fastest reaction time, come in. If not, you can. Another way to teach is tsukure kuzushi kake. If I do this side with you, I don't get you out of balance, but I'll come in. And if I am here, then I do this, and then I get you on top. Now I make this kuzushi, but I am already in. Rather if I make kuzushi now, I'll get you toe. And you black, I do the big, I control you. This is why we do this motion, okay? The same here. I can do so that, pull you here, and do it. One way. Second way, I do this. You are in balance. I go side, and here. Okay? So when I make this motion, don't move him out of balance. You see that? This is way what I think, Because if I do this side, but I after that you this side and pull up, but I don't need it makes this motion here. See? It's very difficult to black it because we are in balance. And the same time I do this kind. I do. With my shoulders pushing right your shoulder. Okay? So just be here and make this motion here. Enough. And take it side. Because if you hold me here, I take it side. You see? I work on this head. You see? When he's there, so I come here. Now I make this motion, step and pull it down. Or I should do my whatever. You see? So this is a step. So if you hold me strong, this is how I do this. You see now? And then I do this. Move. Still you are in balance. You see, I don't get you out of balance. And here. Now you find out something wrong. But now it's too late. Because I am in technique. If you find out now, I can't come to technique level. Okay? You see? So try. You get the very slow. If I pivot, I push partner with my shoulder. You see it? This is right. Okay. Start the body. You see, sometimes, you see, whatever, even you hold my hand. You see? Because the trick is, by this motion, if I there is this motion, you see, this is not a dangerous motion for you. But if I pivot, now you find out something, but you are scared for your wrist. You see? So I can do it. You see? So this is why, actually, your reaction starts in the last moment. If I do anything this side, you react. I ask any balance, I do this. I don't do this. Then you should better. Any balance. Pivot. You see? And now you find out that you are thinking about your wrist first. Because vice versa, if you have one information in, you can do two information. First must go through and then second. It takes 0.1 second, 0.15 seconds, depends how training are you. It means what is good enough, if I do this, I'm here. You see? So if I do this side, I do here, pull here, like here. And now it's difficult for partner to do. Yeah? Because now, I come here, even if you look like back, this way, I pivot here and throw it here. You see, so then you can try both. If you stand here, you fall, this kind of thing here, I do this, you see, this motion, pivot. Hold my body, pivot, pull here. Pull here. Okay, you know this, right? Let's say I do it and you look your back. So pivot here and back.